are in Nigeria and you probably have been asking yourself, how can I start trading forex in Nigeria? The best way to start trading forex in Nigeria is to follow the 5 simple ways which I'm going to show you in this video. If you do not know me, my name is Tochi Eke. If you are a returning subscriber to my channel, I welcome you. Kindly like this video. If you are a new visitor, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video and give it a thumbs up. Also click in the link in the description and join my Forex Trading Telegram community, where you will also meet other traders. So the first way on how you can start trading forex in Nigeria is source for knowledge. All right, I've seen people charging $5,000, $10,000, $1,000, $500, $300 to teach people how to trade forex. But I must tell you, and I must be very, very honest with you, if you are a beginner, do not pay anyone to teach you how to trade forex when you are starting. Source for knowledge yourself. Go over to Google, go over to YouTube. There are a whole lot of free content that you can actually use to start off with the forex trading knowledge. All right, you meeting someone telling him or her to teach you forex from scratch might be very, very tiring. All right, before you actually think of paying anyone to teach you how to trade forex, you should have at least understood the basics of forex, like what is forex trading, what is bid, what is ask price, what is spread, how to buy and sell, what is long, short, all those terminologies in forex, spread, stop loss, take profit, all those basic knowledge, candlesticks, all right, Fibonacci, all those things is content you can actually find on your own. Now, when you have understood what forex is all about and you then finally decide that this is what you want to do, then you can start looking for what? A mentor. That is when you should even think of paying someone to do what? To teach you how to trade forex. And now when you finally get a mentor, you will now have a specific direction of knowledge you are looking for. You might tell your mentor, I already know this, I already know that, but I'm having problem, I'm having issue with this. All right, now it will be much more easy for your mentor to carry you along. But if you are actually new and you immediately get a forex mentor when you do not even know your left or your right in the industry, you might get a wrong mentor, because you might go for a mentor who is a scalper, and scalping might not fit your personality and the kind of work that you are doing. You might get a mentor that is a swing trader, and swing trading might not suit your personality and the kind of work that you are doing. At the end of the day, you are going to lose a whole lot of money getting mentors. That's why it's best for you to do what? Understood what forex is all about before thinking of paying anyone to teach you how to trade forex. Getting mentor is when you have finally decided that this is what you are going to do. Now you want to seek for higher knowledge, for more knowledge, for advanced knowledge. That's when you think of doing what? Getting a forex mentor. So that's the number 1 on how you can start forex trading. After you are done sourcing for knowledge, the number 2 is for you to sign up to a forex broker and start demo trading. All right, now there are some tips that I give people when you want to start demo trading. The amount of money you are going to have on your live account should be the amount of money you are going to have on your demo account. If what you are going to fund on your live account is $100, then have $100 on the demo account. If it's $50, then fund $50 on the demo account. It will help you to understand how to trade that capital when you finally go live. Because if you have 100,000 or 10,000 on your demo account, you might actually flip it, and that's where you see a whole lot of people telling you that on the demo they are making money, but once they go live they are losing it. That's because you have a different psychology both on demo and live. And not just that you have a different psychology, but you have a different account balance. On your live you have $50, on your demo you have $100,000. all right, so the risk management for the two are not the same. That's why it's very, very important for you to have the same capital you will have on your demo, on your live. A whole lot of brokers that can actually allow you to fund your demo account in any amount of money that you want. So now when also choosing a forex broker, you need to be very, very careful. I might be making a video on how to choose a broker in the forum, on how to choose a best broker, because some brokers are actually scam. Yeah, if you do not know, some brokers are actually scam. But if you want to use the broker that I use, just check the link in the description. I have about 3 brokers that I recommend which you can use. The link will be in the description box. All right, so After you're done signing up for broker and then demo trading, do not even think of going live. Do not even think of funding your money in your live account, because yeah, you are going to lose it. All right, you are definitely going to lose it. You are going to lose the first 3, 4, 5 money you are going to fund into your Forex accounts. You are going to blow it. All right, so ensure that you work on a demo, you trade on a demo well enough before going live. All right, so that is the second step on how you can start Forex trading in Nigeria. So the number 3 procedure is trading plan, getting a trading plan. Now, trading plan is very, very important, because if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. As simple as that. That is one of the things that I believe in this industry. Fail to plan and you plan to fail. As simple as that. Forex trading plan should contain your strategy, all right, what you are expecting, what you are expected to do before you enter a market, what you are meant to see before you should enter a market, what you should do before you break even, what you should do before you take your stop loss, what you should do before you break even, and all of those things. All right, like I personally, I do not trade on Monday. Monday is not a trading day for me. Why? Because over the years I've noticed that anytime I place a trade on Monday, chances are that it's going to hit my stop loss, and I've decided not to trade on a Monday, and I have been doing that and it has been working for me. On Monday, I do not even look at my chart. All right, so these are the things that are going to encompass on your trading plan. It might be boring to follow, but as time goes on, it will become part and parcel of you. So the number 4 on the list on how you can start trading forex in Nigeria is back testing. All right, back test your strategy. It's very, very important. Back testing your strategy is one of the things that will actually make you understand how your strategy works. When back testing, be honest to yourself. Do not go and pretend to be back testing. All right, when you are back testing, follow strictly your strategy, because some of you do not know how to backtest. So it's a backtest, you might be seeing that and you might just try to deceive yourself. As you're backtesting, check how many times your strategy win and how many times your strategy was on a loss. Do the comparison and know if that's the kind of strategy you will go for. All right, after backtesting, then you foretest on a demo account. So the last but not the least on how you can start trading forex in Nigeria is getting a mentor. All right, getting a mentor is strictly optional. You can learn how to trade forex on your own without any forex mentor, but forex mentor is actually going to cut it short for you. All right, it's going to actually cut it short for you. You need to understand that the forex trading knowledge is forex trading knowledge. It might just take you 6 months or even 4 months to understand all about forex trading, but it might take you 2 years to be profitable. Psychological level is psychological level. Support and resistance is support and resistance. Trend line is trend line. Fibonacci is Fibonacci. Spread is spread. Peep is peep. All right, all these things is just the knowledge, but what is going to make you profitable is your psychology. That is one of the things that we determine whether you'll be profitable or not, and that's where a forex mentor comes in. Forex mentor will now help you on what? On building your strategy, showing you the best way to build your strategy, helping you in your what? In your psychological issues, in your forex trading psychological issues. So, but like I said, getting a forex mentor is strictly optional. You can learn how to trade forex on your own, just that it might take you a longer time than someone who have a mentor. All right, so that's my 5 steps on how you can start forex trading in Nigeria. I hope this video was able to help you. If it did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the link in the description and join my Telegram community. I will see you in the next video. Peace and out.